At a university-owned venue in Blacksburg, Virginia, a St. Patrick's Day parade begins to take form. A Part 135 certified commercial drone delivery company has a special role in the parade as they plan to fulfill orders for bottled water and small snacks along the route. In addition to the delivery drones, a local news station and local police are using drones to cover the event and monitor crowd safety. To further protect the crowd of viridescent revelers, a local authority uses a constraint USS to submit an advisory notifying other drone operators about the parade. The media drone takes note and avoids the advisory, but the police arrange to fly their drone inside the advisory to maintain presence and ensure the safety of the crowd. Meanwhile, a nearby construction site uses several drones for inspections and surveys, but the police notice one of the drones drifting a little too close to the parade. FAA agent Chelsea Reynolds uses remote ID to get its serial number so she can use the FAA's data correlation service to obtain additional information and contact the registrant. Suddenly, the media drone deviates from its flight volume and into the advisory area, uncomfortably close to the parade, putting the participants at risk. Agent Reynolds and her team launch an investigation and utilize a UTM capability known as historical data query. Using the latitude, longitude, and time range of the incident, the query returns operational intent data from the media drone's USS to Agent Reynolds. This allows her to confirm that the media drone flew outside of its flight volume and into the advisory.